Today we will discuss experiment number 3 to prepare and standardize 0.1 normal sulfuric acid solution. Objective of this experiment to understand the concept of standardization, to understand the principle of standardization of sulfuric acid, to identify titrant and titrate in titration, to understand the concept of factor calculation, to understand the concept of percentage purity, then to observe the color change at the end point of a titration. Then chemicals: sulfuric acid, sodium carbonate, methyl red and water. These chemicals used for this experiment. Then principle: to define the unknown concentration of sulfuric acid, sodium carbonate solution is used as a standard basic solution to undergo titration. A titration can find out the volume of the sodium carbonate solution which is used to neutralize a specific volume of a sulfuric acid in the conical flask. The result will be the same as we are objective to define the number of moles of reactant. The number of moles of sulfuric acid can be calculated based on the mole ratio 1:1 for sodium carbonate solution to sulfuric acid in the neutralization. Then we put sodium carbonate solution in burette and acid in conical flask because less acid should be used for the sake of safety. This time sodium carbonate is used as a primary standard, and primary standard is a substance which can be used for the direct preparation of a standard solution. This is due to several advantages that sodium carbonate persists. First, it is obtained in high degree of purity. Then it is stable and unaffected by the atmosphere, which implies that the purity will not be affected. For a strong acid and carbonate, methyl red is an ideal indicator, as acid reacts with the sodium carbonate to form acidic gas carbon dioxide. The resulting solution is a slight acidic due to the dissolved acidic gas. Thus, the equivalent point reached in an acidic solution. Hence, the methyl red, which has a low pK in value, is used in this time. Then, preparation of sulfuric acid. Prepare sulfuric acid of any normality and then adding 54 ml of sulfuric acid to an equal volume of water and diluting to 1000 ml with water. Then standardization of sulfuric acid. Pipette out exactly 10 ml of 0.1 normal sodium carbonate solution into a clean conical flask and add 2 or 3 drops of methyl orange indicator. Titrate the content of the flask with sulfuric acid until red color is obtained, and repeat this titration for concordant values. This is the observation table. In the observation table, there is initial and final burette reading and solution of 0.1 normal sulfuric acid mentioned. And in this burette reading base is done. A standardization calculation formula: N1 into V1 is equal to N2 into V2. Okay, N1 means normality of 0.1 normal sodium carbonate solution, and then V1 is equal to volume of sodium carbonate solution, then N2 normality of sulfuric acid, and V2 is volume of sulfuric acid. Then put this value N1, V1, N2, V2 into this formula and we calculate the N1. N1 is equal to N2 into V2 upon V1. And after this calculation, the normality of sulfuric acid solution is found.